Hi, first graders. Welcome back for Writer's Workshop. Today we are going to be focusing on our editing and revising. Yesterday we worked on our drafting, and you guys did a really great job turning your ideas that were organized on your graphic organizer about your favorite sport and turning them into sentences on our drafting paper. Way to go. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Today we are going to focus on making our writing the best it can be, and we do that through the editing and the revising process. First, we are going to revise, which means we will make changes to improve our writing. We're going to look for where we can add details, if there's anything that needs to be removed or moved, or if we need to substitute any other words. I am going to turn the computer so that it is right on our writing. I have it a little bit closer so that hopefully it is easier for you to see today. And I wrote with this pretty cool marker where I can erase and make the changes that I need to make. So let's get started reading my draft that I wrote about golf. You should learn to play golf. Golf is played outside, so you get to be in the sun. You are getting lots of exercise when you hit the ball. It is a game that can be played with 4 people, so that makes it fun. For those reasons, you should go out and play golf. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is look for if there's anywhere where I can go in and add some more details to make it more interesting for our readers to listen to. One place that I noticed was right here where I said, golf is played outside, so you get to be in the sun. I'm going to change this to say, hot sun. Now I'm going to reread my sentence. Golf is played outside, so you get to be in the hot sun. Do you hear how that is adding more detail and giving our readers a better brain picture? See if you can find anywhere in your draft where you can add more details to make your sentences more interesting to listen to. I'm going to find one more place. And the next sentence, it says, you're getting lots of exercise when you hit the ball. I'm going to change that to say, when you hit the golf ball. That way my readers know I'm talking about a golf ball and not a basketball or a baseball or any other kind of ball there might be. Okay. I don't need to remove any words. I didn't have any extra words in there that didn't need to be there. I've already kind of added some details and substituted out some of my words, so this looks pretty good on the revising. I'm ready to go on to editing. When we edit, we proofread, which means I'm going to read it out loud again and correct my mistakes. The first thing I'm going to look for is capital letters. I'm going to make sure I'm using my words correctly, that I have punctuation marks where there need to be, and I know that I did my best to use my first grade spelling. Here we go. The first part of editing is proofreading, where I read it out loud. That way you catch lots of mistakes that you don't catch if you are reading just inside your head. You should learn to play golf. That is my stance. That's my opinion that I'm trying to persuade someone. That is the end of my sentence. I can tell right here that I forgot to include a period. So now I need to go back and add that in. You should learn to play golf. That means that my next sentence needs to be started with a capital letter. That's the only capital letter I will use in that sentence. Golf is played outside, so you get to be in the hot sun. Once again, that is the end of my thought, so I need to add a punctuation mark there, which tells me that I need to do what to this word? You got it. I need to make it a capital letter. You are getting lots of exercise when you hit the golf ball. I wanted to add some more details here. I remember that I forgot to leave. I left this part out when we were revising, so it's okay for me to add it now. You not only get exercise when you hit the ball, but also when you walk the course. And walk the course. Now I need to add a period because that's the end. You are getting lots of exercise when you hit the golf ball and walk the course. I remember to use a capital letter with my next sentence. It is a game that can be played with 4 people. so that makes it fun. I have my capital letter, but I forgot my punctuation mark. Also, I need to go back up here to this number 4. What do we think I need to edit about that number 4? Yes, you're right. We use numbers in math, but in writing, I need to spell that word out. So I'm going to squeeze it in here, F-O-U-R. It is a game that can be played with 4 people, so that makes it fun. For these reasons, you should go out and play golf. And I made sure I ended with an exclamation point because I want you to be excited about going out and learning the game of golf. Let's read it one more time together now that we have done all of our editing and revising and made it the best that we can be. You should learn to play golf. Golf is played outside, so you get to be in the hot sun. You are getting lots of exercise when you hit the golf ball and walk the course. It is a game that can be played with 4 people, so that makes it fun. For these reasons, you should go out. Oh, my brain wants to say and, but I didn't have the word there. Good thing I went back to proofread one more time. For these reasons, you should go out and play golf. Now my draft is the absolute best it can be. I've done all of my editing and revising, and I will come back tomorrow to do my publishing. See you then.